Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to do a quick run through of the basic controls and how to change the bucket on our brand new Manitou 1050 RT Posi track. This will only be my second time driving it, so bear with me if it's a little bit wonky, but it looks like an absolute animal machine, and we're very excited to see how you guys find it this year. So we will get into it and show you the basic controls first, and then we'll quickly run through the bucket afterwards. Alright, so this is inside the cab. First things first, we've got seatbelt over here. It's actually the opposite to our other machine, so I keep going to the other side to plug it in. Roll bar will need to be down to start. Then I'll take the camera, I guess. So, we have the key is up here, so that's your pre-start, and then turn to on. Fuel gauge, we've got some fancy lights here of your hydraulic oil and your engine oil and your battery and all that sort of stuff. Your park, which is unusual on a Posi track, but it has one. Your speed, and then these are your lights down here, so flashing light and all that. The flashing light is actually plugged in, so you can take that out if you need to charge your phone, or if you just want to take off the flashing light to get through clearance. And then we have the fast track down here. Coming to the controls, the left hand control is forward, back, left, right, and the right hand control, boom is up and down, bucket in and out that way. And I imagine these are the hydraulics. I haven't played with that yet, and we don't have an attachment with us today. So I'll hand you back to Terry and we'll get this machine started. So preheat first, then switch her on, handbrake off, here, throttle on. I'll leave it off so you can hear me. So we'll do the boom and bucket first. So up, down, in is that way, out is that way, and then forward, back. This is where we need the throttle. So now we're just quickly going to take off the bucket and show you how to do that bit. Okay, so it's really easy. It's just 2 locking pins. So it's a manual hitch on this one, and it's a universal hitch. That's basically it. So then we'll reverse out. Again, I've showed you guys in other videos, but you basically come back like that, and then when you want to connect back up, it's just straight up like that. So there you have it, it's just that easy. So pretty quick demo on the basics of the Posi track, and we're just going to stick it up on the trailer now, but you can catch the next video for that one. Cheers, thanks.